Have you ever wondered how your phone understands your voice? How YouTube recommends videos you like? Or how doctors detect diseases early? Well, all of this is possible because of artificial intelligence. Welcome back to our AI learning series. So far, we have understood what artificial intelligence is, how it learns, and the different types of AI. Now the question is, where do we actually see AI in real world? So today let us explore the real world applications of AI. First of all, let us talk about healthcare. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. For example, it can analyze x rays and medical reports in seconds. As a result, patients can receive early treatment and better care. Not only that, AI is also transforming transportation. Self driving cars use AI to understand roads, traffic, and obstacles. Although this technology is still developing, it clearly shows us the future of smart transportation. But AI is not limited to big industries. In fact, it is already in your pocket, your smartphone, voice assistants, face unlock, smart cameras. All use AI to make your life easier. Even when your phone suggests the next word while typing, that is AI in action. Now let us move to something we use every day, social media. Have you noticed how platforms recommend content you actually like? This is because AI studies your behavior and suggests photos, videos, and reels based on your interests. In addition to that, AI is also changing online shopping. When you see product recommendations, that is AI analyzing your previous searches and preferences. This makes shopping faster and more personalized. Finally, let us talk about education. AI is helping students learn in smarter ways. With personalized learning apps and virtual tutors, education is becoming more accessible and effective. As we can see, artificial intelligence is not just a theory, it is already part of our daily lives, from healthcare to smartphones, from transportation to education. AI is everywhere. In the next video, we will understand an important concept. What is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? So, stay connected and continue learning AI in the simplest way.